Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group, and let's jump right in. Today's poster wanted to know how to add themselves in a photo when there was no extra person around there to take a photo. This is really simple actually. So what you do is you take a photo of your family there at the table and you make sure that there's an empty space somewhere on the side or anywhere you want to place yourself. And then afterwards you ask somebody to take a picture of just you. So now what we're going to do is introduce that person over here, and you're never going to notice a difference. So let's start with this second picture and cut this guy out. I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way with a 10-point eraser. It's a large picture. This is like almost 100 inches wide. I brought it in, both of them, because it's easier for me to work with a little extra on the side. I'm going to grab the eraser and get in really close, and I'm going to simply erase everything there is here about this person here. And once we've cut the person out with an eraser, all you got to do is grab your polygon tool and cut them out completely. Double click there at the end, we'll zoom out and we'll just basically right click and hit copy. Now we have a copy of that person cut out. And all you got to do is grab your new copy and drag it on over to the other file, and we'll let it go and we'll just simply put it right into place. If we want to resize and make sure that it matches here with the table, then I would just move him out of the way. I'm going to zoom in on the table a little bit, and I'm going to make a cutout of just the table using the polygon tool. So everything beyond what I want to add. And double click. I'm going to make sure I got the right layer chosen. I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit copy. Now, when I bring in my other layer and put that layer on in between the two, like this, every time I move around this person, obviously it's too big, it goes under the table. See that? As if they were really sitting there. So I'm just going to do this and follow the edge of the picture, and then I'll just make them a little bit smaller to fit the right size. And it's really that easy to add a person to the picture. And then I can manipulate it any way I want. I can make the person fatter, skinnier, and let's do something like that. It's a very bowed picture, so they're going to look a little bit wider than normal. So let's try it right around there. That looks pretty good. Anyway, that's how to add a person in a photo who's taking the picture. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.